Hi, welcome to this video class. Hope you might have answered all the questions of the last video. You have an assignment too. Hope you might have answered that. And here you have the answers to those questions. So you just try to check the answers that you have written. So your first question is, name the bone which is not hard as the bone and can be bent. So the bone which is not hard as the bone and can be bent is the cartilage. Yes, this cartilage which is present in the upper part of the ear, and also the skeleton of the fish is also made up of cartilage. It is not strong as a bone, it can be bent easily, so we call it as a cartilage. What is lamina? The broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. What is meant by transpiration? Water comes out of the leaf in the form of vapor by a process called transpiration. So where the exchange of gases takes place. So during that process of transpiration, where it just gives out the gas oxygen. Name the different parts of a flower. The flower consists of four different parts. They are sepals, petals, stamen and pistil. What is meant by streamlined? The body of fish tapers at both ends. This body shape is called streamlined. So it is because of this streamlined shape of the fish where it enables the fish to move easily in the water. So as to change the direction, the streamlined body is helping out a fish to move freely inside the water. So these are the answers for the short questions. Yes. Next in the essay questions, what is the function of a root, leaf, and stem in a plant? So, firstly, let us discuss what are the functions of a root. So, the roots help in holding the plant firmly in the soil. They are said to anchor the plant to the soil. They absorb water and minerals from the soil. So, that these are the different functions of a root. Then the functions of a leaf. What is the function of a leaf? It prepares the food, and that process of preparation of food in a plant is known as photosynthesis. Then here is the function of a stem. Stem conducts water and minerals through roots to different parts of a plant, and it also conducts food from leaves to different parts of a plant. So here it is acting as a mediator which is carrying the water from the root system to different parts of a plant, and the food which is prepared in the leaf is being transported to different parts of a plant. So this is how the function of a stem takes place. Yes, and the next essay question is, name the different types of joints and their locations where they are located. So the types of joints, the first one is ball and socket joints. They are located in the shoulder and the hip region. Next is the pivotal joint, located in the neck region. Hinge joint, which is located in the elbow and knee. And for the hinge joint, the movement is possible only in one direction, the backward direction is not possible. Fixed joints, which are located in our head, so they do not move. These joints do not move. The best example is your upper jaw, where it is fixed to the head, so it can't move. Only our lower jaw moves. So the fixed joints which are they are located in our head. So these are the different types of joints: ball and socket joint, which are located in the shoulder and hip region; pivotal joints located in the neck region; hinge joints, they are located in elbow and knee; and the fixed joints which are located in our head. So the next is the blanks. Joints of the bones help in movement of the body. So without joints, is the movement possible? No, it's not, right? So joints of the bones helps in the movement of the body. The contraction of the muscles pulls the bones during movement, and that movement is possible only when these muscles are attached to the bone. The pattern of veins on the leaf is called leaf venation. As we know, there are two kinds of leaf venation: parallel venation and reticulate venation. Green leaves, they make their food by the process of photosynthesis. They take in the carbon dioxide from the air, they just capture the energy from the sunlight, they can take in water from the root system, they absorb the minerals. So it is by using all these raw materials where the leaf can prepare the food material through a process which is known as photosynthesis. Might you have answered all these bits? Yes, next coming to the matching. Just say whether you did it right or wrong. Herb, wheat and plant, where they have got a very tender stem where it can bend easily. Then shrub, rose and lemon, where the stem, it may be it is of your height, where it can't bend easily. it has got a very even the stem is thick. Then coming to tree, examples such as mango and banyan, creeper, watermelon, pumpkin and sweet potato. Climber, coming to cucumber and beans. Yes, here is another matching. So upper jaw, which is an immovable joint. Fish, where it has got a streamlined body. Ribs, they protect the heart. Snail, they show very slow movement. Cockroach, it has got an outer skeleton. Yes, next is you have to draw the different parts of a flower as you have in the assignment. So this is the how the you have to draw the picture and you have to mention the different parts here. If you didn't do that in the assignment, try to at least learn now. So these are the different parts of a flower. Yes, this is the diagram of a human skeleton. Try even you just try to draw this. Yes, hope you did well in the assignment. Yes, thank you. Meet you in the next video.